Manipur mayam da I appreciate tawjari mayam matam sangna ngamaktraba port amakhak Manipur mayam gi mateng dagi hantak after 60 years Manipur mayam gi mateng dagi akoi aduguma santi gi lambi da porpong amba adugulaina masida yam sauna guide togiba Bharat ki adugumba Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji aduga Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji I am tasengna gi Manipur ki mayam ki side gi amadi sarkar ki kalit mayam ki side gi thakachari ado yam maru in Manipur ki mayam ki support natraga di hai posi koi ngamamoy ado loine na mok dai riba ado maluptu gi organization du gi hapu basing makoi ki kedar mayam puna makkusu koi Manipur mayam ki side gi ado koi sarkar ki side gi isa ki side gi mokoi busu appreciate tawri welcome tawri ado ga sumaina Laibiri mayam puna su santi ki lambi sala akanda yamna ing tappa Manipur ma yamna ing tappa Bharat nama goina bahona bada makata na mateng pangbiu haina mayam da yapin to. So agreement that is a little bit confidential. I cannot expose right now. Time will tell everything. And I would like to congratulate and appreciate Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji for his initiative to bring peace and a normalcy in the state of Manipur, particularly and in the entire Northeast also. And I also thank the Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji for his relentless effort to bring peace and a normalcy in the state of Manipur. Under his initiative, this agreement was signed. And once again, I also want like to thank the cadres and the members of the United National Liberation Front, UNLF of Manipur, for coming up for the peace agreement.